bells! Jingle all the way! Hey guys, Merry Christmas and Happy Vlogmas. This video is sponsored by the Felitsa Store on Etsy. The link will be down in the description below. Make sure you guys go and check them out if you need some last minute stuff for Christmas. So of course we put it on the white rum, the Ray and Nephew white rum, and the Sanksa's rum cream, and of course some wine because I think it's actually for wine.
Oh, that's pretty
Safety
cool.
first, y'all. Check it out.
That's pretty cool.
Okay,
Hold it upside down. Hold it upside down.
Upside down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah!
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him.
Say Merry Christmas! Yay! Chummy! What are you gonna say to the bee family?
Bee family!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry family!
So we're getting the place set up, putting those up. I love my dog. Everything else.
Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come.
Yes, I'm just DIYing some final touches for the Christmas decor. Oh, you had this on the box on it. Hi, Emmy.
Adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him.
What's that?
Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come to Bethlehem. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
So this year I decided to keep it simple and not put every single ornament that we had on. So I went with gold, silver, and some blues, a little bit of rose gold maybe is in there. And these things just represent family members that are no longer with us. So a lot of sentimental stuff going on here on our Christmas tree. I mean, it's a special time, so why not include the ones we love?
Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye, come.
Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you're really cool, only if you're really cool, hit the bell button so you can get a notification for when we post a video.
It's funny.
Alright, bye! Your hand can reach better. I love you, babe.
You too.
Come,